Hope you're having a good weekend. We are spending the weekend up at Sandbar, and I just thought I'll show you what we do today.
I'm totally devoted with such a shitty attitude, and I can't blame the distance for why I fell apart from you. Cause you're so far away, and so are my emotions. But baby, this is nothing new. We're going through the motions while I've been playing out our tune. Cause I'm so far away, and she'll hear this song with my t-shirt on. How did it take so long as it's coming undone? And she'll hear this song with my t-shirt on. How did it take so long as it's undone? I know we're so connected. I know all of the things you like and what you wish that we could be. I think that better.
Typical pointing moment, Dad.
Go to 10.
And she'll hear this song